Samsung's upcoming flagship phone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, speculations suggested that Samsung will be dropping Exynos chipsets on the S series devices and instead go with Qualcomm for the new phones. Last year, Samsung introduced the Qualcomm variant in India for the S series, which was a break from the usual policy of bringing Exynos chipset, and it looks like Samsung will stick with the same decision next time as well. Samsung Galaxy S23 might sport the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. According to the rumors, the upcoming phone will have a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus sAMOLED screen which offers a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The back of the phone will have a triple camera setup that consists of a 50 megapixel primary camera, which might be backed by a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens for the portrait shots, whereas the front camera will be powered by a 10 megapixel. It will come with 8 GB of RAM and offer up to 256 GB of internal storage, running on OneUI 5 based on Android 13. Out of the box, the phone might be powered by a 3900 mAh battery that supports 25-watt wide charging and 15-watt wireless charging. All in all, it looks like Samsung Galaxy S23 might be a little upgrade over its last model, but we recommend you take this information just as a leaks. Nothing is official at the moment. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is speculated to come out sometime earlier next year, so we'll have to wait a couple of more months to know more about the phone.